Hello everybody, and welcome to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube, where I talk about all things luxury, be it luxury fashion, luxury travel, or life's luxuries in general. And today I am talking about my first love in luxury, which is luxury jewelry, specifically luxury watches today, and that's because I have an unboxing. So for like a year and a half now, I've been talking about getting a second watch. I have a Cartier tank in the small size in steel, love it. Had a horrible experience with Cartier, but aside from that, love the actual watch. I'll link that horrible experience down below. But I have finally bought my watch because I've achieved that career milestone that I had set for myself in order to get this second watch. And I'm so happy with it. I've been wearing it so much, but I have two bags here. I have an Omega bag, I have a Tag bag, and I would like you guys to take a minute to comment down below on which house you think I got my watch from. Did I get the Tag that I've been talking about, or did that Omega shopping experience that I had in my last shopping vlog, did that swing me, and did I end up getting the Omega instead? So I'll give you guys like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I did in fact get a watch from Tag, but while looking at the Omega watches, the sales associate that we were talking to, and by we I mean me and Nikki, were talking to, gave us each, if I can get it out, a little Omega candle, and I just thought that that was really sweet. And so the candle says Omega on it, and I have not burned this yet, but I am very excited to do so. And I just thought that was very kind of her, even though neither of us bought a watch that day, just to give us these little candles, because she's like, I've just really enjoyed talking to you guys. And so, not to say that, like, you should be nice to people to get free stuff, because you should just be nice to people, but it goes to show you that if you're actually just nice to people, good things happen. And just doing what you're supposed to do and treating people like people and treating them like humans leads them to be nice back to you. And so that's my little candle. But the watch is in this box. I did get down in Orlando. And so inside of the Tag box is the Tag travel case, as well as all my paperwork in the bottom of the box. And then inside of the Tag travel case is my watch. So this is the watch that I've been talking about for a year now. And so it is indeed the stainless steel Carrera date. It has the hammered face, and then it has rose gold for the numbers. Now, I have been wearing this watch. This watch is a 36 millimeter. And this is going to be upside down, but this is a 36 millimeter, and it is so comfortable on my wrist. I actually, the sort of first test day that I really truly tested this out was walking around with it in Walt Disney World. And so going around the parks with this watch was interesting, and it was also very interesting on how comfortable I immediately became with the watch. I didn't really notice it being on because it is substantially bigger than my tank, and so I was worried about, you know, getting used to it, getting used to the weight, but it is so comfortable. And it just looks really beautiful on, and I'm so happy that I got this watch. There's not really much else that I can say about a watch. Ironically enough, I think that my battery is starting to die in my tank after that whole saga with Cartier. I think I'm actually gonna have to send it back and get a new battery put in it, which I'm really sort of annoyed about, that I got my watch back and I've only had it for like 4 months and the battery's died, even though it was totally fine before. So very glad to have this watch. It is an automatic watch, and I'm having to learn to get used to that. I am going to have to get a watch winder. So with my tank, it's a quartz. I've never had to worry about it. Where this is an automatic, you have to wear it in order to keep it running. And where I want to switch between my two watches, I need an alternative so that I don't have to have this on. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but there are diamonds that go around on the inside of this watch. But I'm gonna have to get a watch winder because where I had it down the beach and I was only wearing it for like a couple of hours in the evening when we go out for dinner, there have been a couple of times where I've had to wind it to get it going again. And that's interesting to have to do. Tag doesn't do a whole lot of quartz anymore. They do quartz in the Formula 1 series, and then I want to say there's one or two other watches, maybe in the Porsche series that they do, that are quartz. Otherwise, all of their watches are automatic. Pretty much most houses are moving to automatic, and so that's just something to keep in mind. When you're getting one of these watches, if you're getting one and you don't plan to wear it every single day, you are going to have to get a watch winder, so you need to add that expense in to the expense of the watch. And so that is it for this unboxing today, and I need to go ahead and get this done because where I'm wearing this watch all the time, you're going to see it in a lot of future videos. So that is it for this nice, quick, short, sweet unboxing, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!